You're looking for love. You want a partner. You want to be in a relationship. Am I right? But are you going along it the right way? I'm here to help you attract your perfect partner using 16 dating tips. So congratulations first. You finally got up the courage to try a dating app. If you're one of the numerous singles who've decided to use dating apps for the very first time to find a partner, you're not alone. More and more people are trying apps for the first time while thousands use them regularly. I personally know and have been invited to so many weddings of my clients who've successfully found their partner this way. Using an app to find love is an easy way if you're not ready to invest in a matchmaker. My clients start out using them and they quickly move from texting to meeting to long-term dating in a relationship. Several have met their spouses and are now in happy, loving relationships. Whether you're new to apps or maybe you've been doing it for a while, it's very important that you use them the right way. So here are 4 of the 16 ways to use dating apps to attract a partner and begin a happy, loving, connected relationship. First, use them as a tool. Let them help you find what you're looking for while you're also getting out there and connecting in person. Number 2, take it seriously and be selective. Don't treat it like a game. If you're swiping on 10 or more people at a time, you're merely playing and wasting your time. Number 3, don't let them rule your days. If you're spending 5 or more days on them, you're letting them govern your life. Now, number 4, use your time wisely and set a timer if you spend more than 10 or 15 minutes on them. Number 4, use your energy wisely. Log on only when you're feeling upbeat, tuned in, turned on, and positive. If you're feeling lonely, tired, or frustrated, don't be on dating apps. Like attracts like. So change your energy or wait to log on when you're feeling better about yourself. Now come back for part 2 of 16 dating tips to attract your partner using dating apps.